Good morning, everybody. Todd here, Mark with Legacy Acres. Hey, we've got a rainy day at the property today, so I'm going to put on the grill guard that my lovely wife got me for my birthday. So we got a Messicks grill guard. We were going to go with a small company that I'd seen a video on, and I was going to throw them some business, and their customer service was terrible. They did not help my wife when she went to buy it, so I directed her to Messicks, and they gave fantastic customer service. So we went with them. And the advantage, I've got an M in the logo, Mark with Legacy Acres. So I'm gonna try to do this uncut. I've got everything prepped and see how long it takes me to put this on, because I don't think it's gonna take long at all. I'm gonna put this in place. I already have that in there, silly. And then I'm going to try to get it all lined up. Get that in there. Get this lined up. Get that in there to hold that in place. It never goes exactly the way you plan. There we go. And I want to get the next one in. It comes with everything you need. It comes with carriage bolts, comes with nylon lock nuts, and the washers. So we can get all that started. I mean, it couldn't be easier. Your grill has these openings for the carriage bolts right in them. And for those that you don't know, the reason we're getting a grill guard is because back here is your radiator. So if you're using something like a grapple, and you can easily put something through your radiator and then you're having a bad day. So this is a very good investment to go, and I'm gonna switch sides on Judy here. Protect your investment. So that's what we're doing today. We made a small investment to protect a large investment. So as long as the bottom holes line up, we are good to go to tighten everything down. There we go. Perfect. See if I can not get that cross thread. There we go. Get the other side on, and I can lock everything down. I mean, seriously, I have not had a project go as easy as this is so far yet with this tractor. That's in. And it's not on the tractor, it's just, projects just never go the way you expect them to go. Half-inch socket. other side. And I don't know what this is gonna be, maybe 5 minutes. We're gonna have this whole thing complete. Two more to go and we're set. Bag tight. Make sure everything's tight. This should usually get a bit more. So there you are, everybody. I don't know how much that was. It's probably less than 5 minutes, but anyway, it's as easy as that. Messicks grill guard on the Kubota L2502. Keep sticks and things from going through your grill and having a really, really bad day. Hey, thanks a lot, everybody, for joining us today. And we love you being here, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Thanks, everybody.